Samsung Chromebook 3, 11.6 inches, XE500C13-K06US. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Having used the Lenovo ThinkPad, the Samsung Galaxy Tab 2, the Acer Chromebook and now the Samsung Chromebook 3, I know that the Chromebook is superior to the other devices. It is less touchy than the ThinkPad, which I found too sensitive to touch. It is almost the same size and weight as my Galaxy Tab 2, plus has the keyboard, which I love. The Acer is similar but bigger and heavier, not benefits to me. I'm a heavy user and completely in the cloud. I use it for business. I have it linked to my Android Note 8 through a third-party Chrome app. And it's seamless. It will run apps from the Google Play Store. I usually have multiple tabs open, expected to operate like a full-blown PC laptop, and it generally does exactly what I want it to do. I watch videos, do photo editing, type thousands of words a day on it, stream movies and create Google Docs, slides, and sheets. I bought this to replace my 3-year-old version of the same Chromebook because all of the letters were worn off the keyboard and some of the keys weren't working. I'm actively using my Chromebook probably 8 or more hours a day, so it would probably last even longer for most people. It's lightweight and fits easily in a tote or backpack. It holds up well. I use it sort of all day and night and I haven't found anything it won't do. The only place I notice this being slow is ironically when I open up Google Inbox and then I get to practice patience for a minute. Occasionally it will get sort of slow and then I'll go to settings and clear the image cache and that takes care of it. I handle a lot of images so the memory fills up a bit after a while. It comes with 100 gigs of free storage for 2 years from Google and I'm sold on Chromebook. I usually run it off home Wi-Fi, but I can also tether it to my phone or use public Wi-Fi. The Bluetooth connects easily to everything. The keyboard is nice. I type 100 WPM and I like the keyboard and touchpad a lot. The keys are responsive and quiet. It's a nice, clean, simple design and easy to keep clean. The only thing I wish Samsung would do is make a little indent where the power cord goes in to help guide the plug-in, because you kind of have to look when you're plugging it in. The power cord is super compact and is just the plug-in cord with no big clunky thing on it. I've been able to find cloud-based solutions for every piece of software I was using previously and I don't miss the PC at all since I went into the cloud in 2015. I really don't miss having to constantly update my system and all of the software. Google updates are super fast. You basically just restart and you're ready to go. It boots in seconds, although I usually just leave it on constantly. I set my browser downloads to save to my Google Drive so there's no personal information stored on the Chromebook at all. It's under $200 and it's better than my $1,200 PC laptop I replaced when I switched to Chromebook 3 years ago. It's absolutely silent. No fans grinding away. I sit with it in my lap all day long and it never gets hot. I don't play video games, but I imagine that it would play cloud-based games fine. I've inadvertently had more than a dozen YouTube videos playing at the same time and it was sort of noisy, but it wasn't lagging. And when you want to replace it, you just back up anything you've stored on the small hard drive and run the power wash on it. The only program I couldn't find a cloud solution for was Scrivener. But now you can get a virtual hard drive in the cloud for a fairly reasonable monthly rate and run any software you want on the Chromebook. It holds up to constant use and it's really sturdy despite being really slim and lightweight. The screen hinge is super strong and it's hard to imagine it breaking unless you dropped it. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.